Mike Hughes. I got another quick, hard-hitting drill. And you may notice with all these drills, they're very basic, but we're finding right now we have to go back to a lot of just core key basics and focus on these messages. And I appreciate you taking the time and investing, watching me shovel through this information, because I have the highest level of confidence it's going to add value to you as a pistol shooter. So that aside, let's get into it today. Today we're going to be trigger control, trigger speed. All right. So here's really what we're going to do. We're just going to draw and just rip off shots fearlessly. So I'm not going to do any movement because I'm kind of confined here with the camera and such, but I'm going to turn, draw, rip off on my standard big target right here, and that's really the drill. So I'm going to make sure I got my take-up indicator off, all right, for purpose of this drill, and the drill just looks something like this. Try out. All right, I shot about 10 shots. All right, I shot about 10 shots. Now, here's the thing on this. We're working a plurality of skill sets. We're obviously working clearing the garment, all right, getting support, the strong hand on the pistol, all right, withdrawing, letting go of the garment, squaring up to the target, all right, presenting out. So all of those skills are being worked, all right, fighting through snags if you had a snag on your garment. But then finally, like the biggest thing here is lock it out in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just ripping off shots, all right? I am ripping off shots. I am getting that skill set down of prep, reset, and break, all right, so I can get fast splits. A lot of people ask me, they say, like, how do you get so fast splits? Like on the live fire gun, it's a stock gun, get like 1,500, even like 1,500 splits. That does add up compared to 2,500 or 3,000 splits, all right, as far as getting accurate shots on target very quickly. Obviously, the grip has to be in place to return the muzzle down to a consistent location. I have a little grip course on here. You can, I'll put in a link somewhere. But this is that trigger speed. Well, one of the biggest things with trigger speed is first have proper mechanics of prep, break, reset, reprep. That is full follow through, all right? So to demonstrate that, I'm gonna have to change this up a little bit. I'm gonna turn the take-up laser on. I do right now have the take-up laser co-witnessed, all right? Because I was doing some other drills, but it's real easy. I just take the 1.5 millimeter hex wrench, I'll just pin them both, and I'm gonna put the take-up laser below, all right? So it's not really a true sighting aid. I wanna separate them so I get a little bit of information with my non-dominant, my off eye. What I'm doing is I'm presenting out, I'm prepping upon extending, right? And then I break, reset, reprep, break, reset, reprep. Notice how that lower red laser, it almost doesn't go off, all right? Now, to be clear on that, I'm not just going right up just barely to that break and stopping. No, I'm violently coming forward and I'm violently recontracting my finger muscles to take up that slack in that trigger, all right? So what I do is I go boom, 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 boom. Notice how the red laser comes off a little bit, but not very long, all right? Second thing on this is notice how the green laser doesn't stay on very long. I don't pin the trigger and hold it and wait. There's no reason for that. Once that sear is dropped and the striker hits the primer and all that stuff, the job is done. You got to reset, reprep. So it's a real basic drill. Just basically hammer down, all right? Make sure the red laser stays on with that minor little pulse as you reset and re-prep. Very, very basic drill. Don't worry about going target focused on this, like if you watch the laser or whatever. It's an isolation drill, all right? It's an isolation drill for your trigger finger to get faster, and you will definitely see carryover on the range when you have the opportunity to do a rapid shot drill.